I'm hungry. Huh?
Run.
Today we will make boiled snails. Get the stove out. I need a pan. Put water in to boil. Wait 10 minutes. The water is boiling now. Put the snails in to boil. Add a little salt. Now let's go choose the color of the sauce for the snails.
I choose the gift box in the middle.
You choose the gift in the middle? Okay. Wow, we have purple grapes. Now take the grapes out and put them on a plate. Then cut the grapes into slices. Then add the grapes to the pan to make the sauce. Add seasoning first is salt. Then pepper. Finally flour. Now boil it to make sauce. Add water. Now stir well. The sauce is done. Now pour it into the snails. Looks interesting.
Wow!
Decorate a little to make it eye-catching. So delicious. Hello and see you again.